First, you log in to our online platform. To add a new site, you just enter the name of your site. For this example, I have entered Safe Weight Loss Pills. You can use your own domain if you want, or set up your site as a directory on our own platform. Let's choose the latter for now. We click Add New Site. The site is ready. Let's log into it. Let's create some content. Here we enter the title of our post. We click Generate. Here on the right you can see some extra options. After the content is created, we can save the post as draft. You can edit the content if you want. For now, let's publish the post. Let's view the post. Here's the post. You can see the title here. An image has been fetched here. There are subheadings throughout the post, so it's easier to read. As you can see, this is a long post, so the content will be much more likely to rank high on search engines like Google and Bing. We have also added some banners here. You can add your own banners. It takes a few seconds. We'll show you exactly how this is done. And you can link them to your affiliate link, so that when someone clicks on one of the banners and, let's say, visits a website and buys, you get a commission. And it is that simple. There's nothing technical to figure out. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.